Hello and welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Cynthia with Mindful Creative Muse, where we explore creative and calming practices for self-care. I'm so happy you found us. We offer weekly videos and explorations for us to dive deeper into our creativity and ways for us to embrace our inner critics and express. So we explore a lot of expressive arts practices, and if you're new to that term, essentially it's just different forms of the arts where the intention is focused on the creative process itself instead of the final product. Of course, we might love the final product as well, but it's really allowing ourselves to create from a place of feeling really centered and getting out of our own way so we can enjoy the process, maybe discover something new about ourselves, feel a little more calm in the process, and ultimately you'll have other artwork or things created as well. We also explore mindfulness practices, so different practices for us to tune into our breath, to our body, our felt sensations, to the present moment, so we can become more aware, self-aware, but also to really calm down our bodies and to create from a place of really being fully present in this moment. And if you're like me, I know you don't have a lot of time. You might be stressed and overwhelmed. You might have a lot of obligations. So many of the practices that I'll be sharing with you are very simple. You don't need a lot of art supplies to get started. And many of the practices, you only need 5 minutes carved out of free time. And that 5 or 10 minute practice can really help give you more space in your day. It can help you feel more connected to yourself. It can help you feel calmer. You can feel excited and joyful about creating. So I hope that you'll give yourself that time and that you'll return back each week to see what our offerings are and explore and play. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to be notified about any of our new videos, and also comment. Let me know if there's any particular practices you want to explore in more depth, if you have questions, so we can really have a connection and a conversation with each other. So again, my name is Cynthia with Mindful Creative Muse, and I'm excited that you're here. Let's get started.